Okay guys, today we're gonna be using this WYBOT right here. This is gonna clean the floor all the way down there. Yeah, cause I can get the ones on top. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the WYBOT in the pool, and that thing is gonna do the job to clean this pool right here. It was windy a couple days ago. Yeah, it was really windy, so we got some leaves inside the pool, so we're gonna get them out with this thing right here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, that's on. I will be using vision. Yeah, vision is gonna go all the way down, and it's gonna be looking for the leaves in the front. Yeah, for whatever is in the front of this bot right here, it's gonna sweep it up with a brush right here. Okay, so this one is ready. I'm just gonna dump it in the water like this. Okay, and then it's gonna go down. Okay, now it's working. It's gonna start moving. Yeah, it's gonna start moving. First, it's gonna go to the other side, and then it's gonna be all over the pool. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it. Meantime, I'm gonna get this ones with my hand right here. Okay, we're gonna clean this machine now. We're gonna pull it up and drain the leaves. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna pull it out with this thing right here. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it up with this thing right here. Okay, I got it out now. Now, yeah, I just turned it off, so it's off. Now I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna check how much or how many leaves are in here. Okay, let's open it and let's see. Okay, that's all right here. Yeah, it's doing a good cleaning. I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna send it back in the pool. I'm gonna send it back in the water. Yeah, that was a lot. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna choose this one right here, vision, already set up. I'm gonna make this tight, so this is where it charges. So I'm just gonna dump it. Okay, and it'll start working. Okay, we took it out for a second time. We're gonna clean the basket. Yeah, it looks like it has a lot of. Yeah, we're gonna clean it. We gotta clean it like every 20 minutes or less than that. Yeah, cause okay. Yeah, that's a lot. All right. Okay, we're gonna place it back again for another 20 minutes. There's still a lot. After a few more minutes, this is gonna be the third time. And let's see what's inside for the third time. Okay. It looks like it has a lot too. Okay. Yeah, it has a lot of leaves. So let's clean this right here.